So I went back out today and shot some more, and I'll have to say, side by side on the same day, the footage really looks close. You could see we have bright sunlight, we have shades. All in all, I'm not disappointed with either one of the cameras. I think the Insta360 did a really good job at doing action camera work. Uh, I think I'd rather just bring the Insta360. It's smaller, shove it in your pocket, and it can do anything the GoPro can do. Above water, that is. But as you all know, it doesn't stop there with the Insta360 One X. Now here's that same clip with the Insta360 One X edited in the Insta360 One X Studios on my Mac. It looks pretty the same, I know, but hey, look at those pretty clouds. I can change the angle. I didn't have to reach over the handlebars to do it. It was done in post. Hey, I want to go faster. I could speed it up. And yes, I'm speeding this up specifically because no one wants to sit through all this footage again. But you get the point. I wish there was a red balloon. Oh, more clouds. But again, edited in 360, didn't have to turn the camera. Just left it go and picked out what I wanted to see later. And if I get bored, because people tend to know me for my tiny planets, which is a gimmick, I could do a tiny planet. I could do multiple angles on the same clip. I could video myself. I could do tiny planets. I can do inverted planets if I want to. It gives you a lot of options for photography, videoing. It's all right. I like it. Right now I can tell you I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the Insta360 One X, the Osmo Pocket, and a drone, an old Mavic Pro. I have a Canon PowerShot SX720HS. And I'll tell you right now, if I had to sell everything because whatever, money was tight, I just had to get rid of it, my Insta360 One X would easily be the last thing to go. Yes, even the Mavic would go before it. But, that's me. I just like the camera. I can do everything with it if I need to. I'm not even sure why I have all the other ones. I think I just became like a tech junkie. I don't want to review stuff, but I watch reviews all day and I just kind of got like, oh my God, I got to have that. Tell you right now, I don't like using the cameras for more than one thing. My Hero 7 Black, I use for the rain and I use for vlogging. The Osmo Pocket, motion time lapses. Insta360 One X, I use for everything else. Easily my favorite camera. Because who doesn't like tiny planets? Thanks for watching.